Dear student, today topic is strong base. So, what is a strong base? Such type of base which can easily furnish OH minus or which can rapidly furnish OH minus or which can totally dissociate and give OH minus. These are the way to define the strong base. Let me show you some examples of strong base now. Sodium hydroxide, very strong base actually. Potassium hydroxides, lithium hydroxides, rubidium hydroxides, they are very strong base, dear student. What they do in their aqueous solution, they easily furnish or release OH minus, they rapidly furnish OH minus actually. Now, let us define the strong base. A strong base is a base that is completely dissociated. Yes, what is the meaning of completely dissociated? Understand. Suppose I am writing any base which has 2 OH minus, 2 OH group. So, all the OH group should convert into OH minus when it goes under water. That is the meaning of complete dissociation. In an aqueous solution means water solution. Okay. These compounds ionize in water to yield one or more hydroxide ion. I already said it should release OH minus. OH minus means hydroxide ion per molecule of base. So, I repeat in summarized way, what is a strong base? Such type of base which can completely dissociate in water and gives its OH minus. Thank you.